pumpkin enchilada casserole. All right, this is Kate from Rachael's culinary team. I don't know about you, but I have like 16 cans of pumpkin puree laying around my house, left over from Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a savory and spicy pumpkin enchilada-inspired casserole. I'm gonna start by making pumpkin sauce. I'm gonna add ground cinnamon, just regular chili powder. A little bit of water. I'm gonna put it on the stove to heat up. So after I finish slicing up these mushrooms, I'm gonna put them on the stove to brown. So I have some diced onion, diced red bell pepper, diced jalapeno. So when that veg starts to soften, I'm gonna add back in my browned mushrooms. And to that I'm gonna add a can of diced green chilies, a can of black beans, and a can of kidney beans. I'm gonna put in some of my homemade taco sauce. Just give that a stir. We're going to take a 9x13 pan, and for the bottom layer, I'm gonna put a little bit of our taco sauce. Put about 4 whole tortillas, but 8 halves down on the bottom. I'm gonna put a little of our pumpkin sauce down, about 1/3 of it. There's gonna be 3 layers. And then a big scoop of our mushroom, bean, taco sauce. And then our last layer, some cheese. That's the first layer, so we're gonna do it all over again. And I'm gonna bake this at 375 for about 45 minutes. My casserole is out of the oven. I'm gonna carve up the peas. See that cheese? You can only smells it. Can you see that? I have some cilantro. Gives it a nice fresh taste. Cuts through some of that cheese. And I have diced white onion, a little diced tomato, some avocado that I dressed with salt and lime, blue corn chips, which you can just serve on the side, or I like to crumble mine, put it right on top, and then jalapenos. Woo! Now that is an enchilada casserole with pumpkin puree.
Hi, I'm Sarah from Rachael's culinary team. I'm gonna show you my take on the viral tortilla trend that is all over the internet right now with my spicy cranberry ham and cheese melt. First things first, cranberry sauce and some mustard, and then our Calabrian chili paste, which definitely has some heat. And we'll just mix that together. Cranberry sauce, new life. All right, so our tortilla. We're just gonna go from the center to one side and make just one little cut. Like that. And then you're going to build your wrap in 4 quadrants, 1 ingredient per quadrant. I'll do a little bit of spicy cranberry mustard sauce. Now we're gonna do just some deli sliced ham and a little shredded cheddar, and then arugula for good measure. And I just love all the beautiful colors. It's like a painting. All right, now we fold. And now I'm just gonna toast it up as I would a quesadilla. Oh man, that just makes me happy. Layers, gorgeous. All right, now you know why this tortilla trend is all the rage. I hope you try it, and happy pantry clean out.